Good morning, G. It's 5 a.m. in the morning, and today we are gonna go on an adventure by ourselves. The adventure is to board a train and travel to Los Angeles with my cycle in it. Let's see how it goes.
How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. And today is special. I'm taking my bike and hopping on a train to Los Angeles, LA for some next level adventure. Let's make this journey epic, one step at a time. Let's go. The 5 a.m. club takes off. I'm up, morning routine is on autopilot. There's just something powerful about starting before the world wakes up. It's like every goal feels possible when you own your mornings. So I geared up on my bike, headed to the station. The road was empty, city's quiet, and there's just me and the sound of my wheels spinning. Bliss.
7:26. It's the race against time. Let's go. I can't afford to miss this train. No. The next one's at 9:30. So can't really happen. Okay, we are at the station. This is the station. This is it. This is it. Coach boarding here. Okay, so that's my ticket. Okay. And now my ticket is from Metrolink. I am going to Van Nuys.
Okay, so here's the thing. This is my first time using the train in the US, and I was straight up lost, confused, and maybe a little awkward. Felt like a total newbie for all these signs and routes.
It's coming. There is bicycles boarding here, so I think that's where I'm getting in. I'm in.
But here's the cool part. Inside the train, they have a whole setup just for the bikes, and the respect they give the cyclist here is unreal. I mean, it could be better as Netherlands and other European countries, but hey, that's all good. Okay, I should be grateful for what I'm getting. Got my bike all strapped in, and honestly, it felt VIP. Totally impressed. I finally reached LA. Now Aman is my friend waiting to scoop me up. The vibe's on and the adventure is just heating up.
Thanks for coming, bhai.
No problem, good to meet you, man.
Likewise, yeah.
कैसी थी ट्रेन?
ठीक था, मतलब थोड़ा नर्वस था मैं स्टार्टिंग में, बट देन
सही, मतलब साइकिल वाइकिल तो सब।
हाँ, मतलब फर्स्ट जो उनका डब्बा था ना, दैट्स लाइक कि आप अपनी साइकिल रखो आराम से, ऊपर चिल करो.
Of course, getting the bike into the car was its own mini workout. You know how it goes, 2 guys, 1 car, 1 bike, and about 10 different attempts later, we finally made it fit. Success.
But कभी like मैंने ना I was like कि मतलब मैं
Aman and I, we share the usual stories, the training highs, the lows, and the times you want to quit. Bro, the times you want to quit. And what keeps you coming back for more. That's what we talked about.
अरे इतना गूदा नहीं था कि भाई मैं साइन अप कर लूँ इसके लिए, because like काफ़ी ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा, कमिट करना पड़ेगा, and then more importantly work too, like ऑफिस का काम हो जाता है, and then फिर तुम्हें ट्रेन भी करनी है, तो
न्यूट्रिशन का भी
ख्याल रखना है, ग्रोसरी लानी है, तो भाई बंदा ये सब कब क्या करेगा.
And finally, we made it to Aman's place. I met his brother and felt like instantly once you got inside the house, there was this fragrance in the air from Indian
भाई
spices.
छौके की खुशबू आ रही है इतनी प्यारी.
That's my brother.
हेलो जी. हाय देवांग. अच्छा, आप कैसे हो? मुझे अच्छा लगा यार, छौके का खुशबू है ना.
Desi hospitality was on. Always feels like family. You know, when you get connected with Indians abroad, it feels good. It's a good feeling. No time to chill. Back in the car, focused. It's training time, LA. We are here to level up.
Okay, it's a windy day. Ocean right there in front of us. It's good to have sun because I don't have my
swimsuit with me. There are people riding. That's a good sign. Okay, let me give you water report. Water report coming in. So yeah, the biggest concern for swimmers at open water is the waves. If the waves are crazy, then you won't be able to swim, right? And looks like there are waves, but they're not as crazy. I'm not sure how deep into the ocean we're gonna go to swim, but the plan is to do an hour of swimming. I'm gonna revisit the plan with our buddy here. What's the plan? What's the go-to plan? What's the plan of attack?
Plan of attack is 1 mile. We need to do it under 50 minutes.
Okay,
So that's the least we want to do.
right,
Because
correct.
that's the cut-off time.
Yeah. Okay.
तो अगर 50 मिनट से ऊपर लेंगे हम तो हम डिस्क्वालीफाई हो जाएंगे. So
That's true.
that's the minimum we need. We're just trying to figure out where to swim
Because of the waves?
because of the waves, and it's the first time here on this side. Guys, fishing.
Okay, water check. Oh man, जो wave देखो wave. Oh fuck. ठीक है, it's not that cold. I think I'll be fine. हो जाएगा. We hit the coast with some open water swimming. If you have ever done open water, you know it's a whole different game. The waves, the cold, the challenge, and it's just you against the elements. Love it. Totally love it. Aman bro, kaisa raha? How did it go?
It was pretty well, man.
Choppy waters?
Choppy waters. When we started, it was fine, but I think the waves are picking up now. So at 1 p.m. already, there's high tide around like 2 p.m. 3. After a good salt rinse, it was time to bring the heat with the cycling session. Legs were on fire, but that's the kind of burn we are here for.
Get used to it. Swimming के बाद running is the most difficult one.
बुड्ढा गुस्सा हो गया. क्या चल रहा है?
Like 16.5 miles. Not bad, bro.
Half marathon. मजा आ गया. Amazing day.
Of course, you know, the Desi boys had to end it right with Bollywood blasting. From the beach to the beat, the vibe was a whole new mood. Wrapping up the day with some bomb food, then hit the LA streets. The lights, the energy, the late night bites. It's the magic mix. You don't forget.
हाँ जी, अगर कुछ छूटा होगा तो मुझे लगता नहीं वो इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Days like this remind me why I started. The 5 a.m. hustle, the grind, the growth, and the brotherhood. Londo wali vibe. It's a reminder that we are out here pushing limits and having fun while doing it, because this day is not gonna come back. You only live it once. Alright fam, if this fired you up even a little, hit that like, share and subscribe. The adventure will continue, and trust me, you don't wanna miss it.